Hey, welcome to 9 Peak. This video is about Cardo Edge. Now, you've seen multiple reviews so far. The only reason I went for this one is just because I just wanted to see how good this Cardo Edge is compared to my Cardo Bold. I better go get it. I don't think I needed this upgrade. There's so many videos out there that say Cardo Bold is a very good communicator.
Nice.
Now, I have been using this one for over 2 years and I have some issues. I'm not gonna say I have no issues, but the battery life is great, the communication is great. I use it in the group. I always use it with my wife when she's riding. So I have two Cardo Bolds that I use all the time. Cardo Edge is Cardo's flagship product. So I'm gonna find out if this is really worth the upgrade as everybody else says. This video is not sponsored by Cardo, and I'm just going to give you my honest opinion. Apart from all the easiness that this is USB-C, has fast charging, connects quickly, like it has a magnetic snap mount to your helmet. There's something additional that Cardo Edge has over Cardo Bold is the range. It comes with the 2nd gen dynamic mesh communication, as written over here. It has the air mount, that's what they call the magnetic mount. It really snaps in. Natural voice operation, voice commands to the Cardo are better on this. I did try to use the ones on Cardo Bold, but they're not as good. I gotta admit that. I mean, even with the microphone right at my mouth, it just sometimes never registered what I was trying to say. This is waterproof. Your Cardo Bold is not waterproof, so that's a plus. I mean, I'm not gonna ride under the water, so I'm not really sure how good it is. I've ridden my motorcycle in rain, like I was soaking wet and super cold on top of Mount Washington, and Cardo Bold just continued working. Either way, universal Bluetooth intercom, which the old one had, over-the-air software update. Now that's something's gonna be very handy. I think I'm gonna enjoy that feature a lot more. Oh my God! Wow! Cardo Bold for upgrades, like for little firmware upgrades with new features and everything, or bug fixes, you have to actually connect this one to your PC or your Mac and then download the upgrade software and then update it. So that was a little bit of hassle, but they say this one is going to be over-the-air upgrade. This can add up to 15 riders compared to 10 riders on Cardo Bold. I think 10 was already a lot chattier than 15. I'm not sure if I'm going to be in a group of 15. Everybody open channel talking, no way. 5, 6, maybe 7, 8 is max, I guess. So 10 was enough on Cardo Bold, but clearly they're gonna go overboard because they want to justify how good this is compared to their older flagship model. The battery life on this one is 13 hours. This has fast charge. That's something I'm looking forward to. This is great. FM, that's normal. Music streaming is normal. It can connect up to 2 devices. So the best part on Cardo Edge that I saw in Cardo demo is that it has option to connect motorcycles, so it can distinguish between your phone and the motorcycle, which is great for my RT because current Cardo Bold only can connect to one or the other. I tried connecting my motorcycle as phone, but it never really connects. It starts giving me problems. So I'm very much interested in seeing how Cardo Edge connects with my RT. So it's the TFT on the RT and also my phone at the same time. That's gonna be fantastic. It has JBL speakers, which I do have them installed. I just use the in-ear monitors. For me, they just protect my ears from the wind noise, and as well as I get super good bass. So link for the monitors that I use is in the description. Let's open this up. Okay. Ah, that's beautiful. This is how they look side by side. From the front, from the back, skinnier. That's the back side that connects to the mount profile, which is good. I mean, this was a little bit flimsy, to be honest. You have quick guide, has a QR code you can scan, how you can mount it. Okay, done. We have Cardo Edge pocket guide, not needed.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here.
I'm pretty sure this is the identical of this one. Let's open just one. By the way, I got this one from Cycle Gear, which is part of Revzilla now. I recently subscribed for Revzilla. RPM has some good perks, so Something to think about. Isn't this the most important cable that you will need? I'm not even gonna open this, man. Like, seriously, this is USB-C cable. At this time in the age, you must have at least one or few extra just lying around your home that you don't even need this. If you don't have, then welcome to 21st century. And now you have a USB-C cable. Congratulations. I don't need this. Alcohol wipes. These are extra padding to bring speakers close to your ears. Boom mic. Another microphone. The mount. Velcro pads. A clip that will go inside the helmet. You need it. Speakers. I will upgrade my speakers with these. And this is an additional one in case your clip doesn't work. Or you have a second helmet or half helmet. You can use this sticky one outside of the helmet, and that should hold it pretty tight. These are additional Velcros. Nice. This is your one set. And 3, 2, and connecting it. That's beautiful. Let's fire up Cardo Edge. So it's the same way, 2 buttons pressing together. All right, that sounds pretty cool. That's a new jingle. It didn't tell the battery status right now because the battery...
Download and install the Cardo Connect app to unlock your unit's full feature set.
Okay, don't yell at me. All right, let's do that. It's looking for the unit. Unit was not found. How to connect. Talk Edge. All right, so the first one, turn on unit. We already have it on. Next, pair your unit. I'm gonna use the phone button for 5 seconds.
Phone pairing.
Perfect. Hit next. I'm gonna go to settings. I'm gonna go to Bluetooth. I have a ton of things. All right, PT Edge.
Phone connected.
Perfect. Let's go back to our app. I'm gonna hit pair. Okay, there you go. It's connected. I'm gonna rename it and call it Parag's Edge, so I can tell it apart from my wife's Edge. Oh, it's going directly for updating the unit. All right, good. Before you start, keep unit next to the phone. Make sure your internet connection is stable. Do not close the app until the update's complete. You don't want to brick the new device. All right, cool. Start updating. It's moving very slow. While the unit's updating, it shows you this yellow light. I'm not sure if you guys can tell. It's too bright here, but here you go. And it's very slow. Like right now, I'm at 5%. It tells me 11 more minutes to go. So when I just kept my phone down aside, it says keep it closer to your device. So I think the best thing I can do is just take this off and leave it right next, and then connect it back again. Keep it right next to each other. All right, so here we are, still in yellow status. Almost there, 93. I'm gonna snap this back because we want to hear what happens afterwards. Oh, there you go. It just turned on. Nice, at 98%. Yay, 100% complete. I have updated successfully to version 3.0. Finish. I think the rest of the things the same. I mean, you have quick access to 10,000 different things. Play music. There you go. I mean, you can see this is pretty big. This is very slim and nice. And I like the matte finish that goes with my helmet. Perfect. So far, good impressions. All right, so we're out. I'm just done testing. There's one thing I need to tell you about this Cardo Talk Edge. Okay, it's very easy to remove. One-hand operation, I like that. It's a phenomenal device, very lightweight, first of all, very slim than the older version, as you saw. USB-C charging, the speakers are amazing. The sound quality overall is good. One thing that is the best and the most beneficial for me, being the new BMW RT owner, you can see I have this TFT here, right? So the problem with TFT and Cardo Talk Bold was that you could connect your Bold to the motorcycle and connect your phone to your motorcycle, and then the music would stream through your phone to TFT and from TFT to Cardo. I mean, that's only when you could actually control Cardo Pack-Talk Bolt from the Wonder Wheel. Okay, if you don't know what's Wonder Wheel, this little thing, it's multifunctional. It's very nice, very good thing that you have that on all the BMW motorcycles. I think it's on all the motorcycles. Either way, but you still can control the volume. That is still the case with Cardo Pack-Talk Edge. Getting that out of the way right at the back. What's happening right now is with Cardo Pack-Talk Edge, I can add this TFT as a GPS, right? So the motorcycle doesn't know what's connecting. Cardo thinks I'm connecting GPS, but I'm really connecting the motorcycle. And the music is directly streaming from my phone to Cardo. Has two benefits. First, the biggest one, with the old configuration, if your Cardo is connected to the motorcycle, it kind of becomes its slave. So your motorcycle is the host and the Cardo is slave. I couldn't even turn off Cardo if the motorcycle is up. I don't know what that connection was, but that's how it worked for me. If it worked differently for you, please let me know in the comments. I think as a community we can solve this issue if Cardo and BMW is really failing at getting these two things communicating efficiently, I would say. That was the old case. Now with the new case, what's happening is when I connect the motorcycle as GPS, not as TFT. If you connect, you can add TFT to this Cardo Edge. The problem with that is you lose connection with your phone. So if you want to change any settings on Cardo from phone, like changing your group or changing FM, adding new people, anything like that, it's very simple to do it from the phone app than fiddling with the buttons on this one, especially when you're switching the groups, the rider groups that you're connecting to. Now in the second setting, what we're really doing is connecting Cardo as a regular phone, Cardo and phone with the regular phone connection, and connecting the bike to Cardo, not as TFT, even though there is an option, but as GPS. When you do that, your Cardo directly streams music from phone. You get all your GPS instructions, like if you use Waze or even if you use the BMW connected app navigation, all of that directly from your phone to Cardo. Best. The second thing that happens is that now, because your motorcycle sees that a helmet is connected, you can use this Wonder Wheel to control the music. You can skip tracks, you can play pause. The only thing now you cannot do is control the volume. If you have figured that out, how to control volume from the Wonder Wheel on Cardo Edge or Cardo Pack-Talk or any other Cardos, please let me know. Long thing short, phone connects to Cardo, TFT is added to Cardo as GPS, not TFT, and the whole thing works. My connection hasn't dropped. I've taken a couple of rides, maybe an hour long, but the connection has not dropped. So this is fantastic. The other thing that I would like to mention here is I don't have speakers. So if you have speakers on your motorcycle, your experience may be different. So if it is, please let me know in the comments, because that's how we help the community. Thank you very much for watching the video. As always, consider subscribing and hit that like button. It really helps the channel. Thanks. Peace.